This video is about using base 10 blocks for regrouping, both for addition and subtraction. So you can move on to base 10 blocks instead of craft sticks once students become a little more proficient with their numbers, but you really do need to emphasize that this is a new one. This is our one, and hold it up next to the craft stick and understand. Now we're just having what's called reunitizing, which is having a different type of whole or one. So this is our one, and then we'll say, okay, I'm gonna show you how you can use these 1 centimeter blocks to help you when it comes to regrouping with base 10 blocks. So right now we have the number 224. What's it made of? 200s, 2 10s, and 4 1s. And what we're going to talk about is, okay, we have 224 and we need to add, let's say we're going to add 7, okay? We're going to add 7 to this. So we're going to add on 7. So what I do with my students is I usually have them build the 5s, always finish a 5 and then keep building more 5s. But to make it more clear, just for the video, I'm going to show you that with different colors. So I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to add on 7. So here's 1, 2, 3, there's 6, and then here's 7. And what we want students to start doing is recognizing that each one of these, once you have 2 X's, once you have 2 groups of 5s, you're going to bundle them, right? You're going to put them all together, and you're going to make a 10 stick. Right? And so the nice thing about this is they can actually do it. They can say, oh, I have my 10 stick that I'm now going to build, right? Because I have now 11 in this area. And that's another thing you want to consider having them do or talk about is this isn't a proper number. You can say, wait, this wouldn't make sense in terms of how we would read this number. Right now, we would have to read it as 220, well, it would be 211, and that's not a real number. That's not a number that follows the rules that we've learned, right? So we can't have 22011. That's not a number. So we need to take this 10 that we've created and move it over to the 10 group. And you can see with these 1 centimeter cubes, they line up in terms of size, even though they don't always click together perfectly. And now we have 231. So you can see how it's nice because it can be used for regrouping and building the 10 sticks.